Hello, for today's tutorial, we are going to play with a hanging variation to help you build stamina. And this is going to be focused primarily on playing with the legs, and the arms are going to stay kind of still. So you're going to need a pull-up bar. You're going to take your pull-up bar, hold onto it, and you can start giving weight to your hands. It's up to you if you have your feet off the ground or on the ground. You're totally welcome to have them on the ground. And I want you to start painting just kind of big circles with the legs. Try to find the space behind you. I hit the bar behind me, which is unfortunate, but. And then after you've done that a few times, play with sweeping side to side. And then maybe sweeping forward and back. And then maybe try turning your feet. You get the idea. So, and you can do 1 foot at a time. So you could totally wonder to yourself, what am I going to do? What happens if I do one big circle and then another big circle? One big circle, another big circle. That was kind of an egg beater type motion. You could do them both going the same way. You can play with all kinds of leg variations. And I want you to play with as many, just play. Just come up with as many ways to move your legs as possible. Tap your feet down whenever you need to. And see what happens. You don't even need to worry about timing it. Just kind of give yourself permission to explore. Give that a try, see how it goes. As always, if you found that useful, please like, share, subscribe.